So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn some tokens for yourself. Right now, you have 5,000 PAWS tokens here and we have 1 million PAWS tokens here. So what you want to do now basically is to come on to your Telegram app, right? And you come to this place here that says earn. When you click on it, it's going to bring up this page. And what you want to do now is to click on start right here. So when you click on start, you're going to see varieties of browsers that you can use, the options of browsers that you can use. So me, I would choose Chrome, right? When I choose Chrome, it's going to take me straight to Chrome right now. And then what I want to do is now you're going to see the PAWS page open up on Chrome. Now, what you want to do basically is to come on to these three icons over here, right here. When you click on it now, it's going to appear like this. So what you want to do is to click on add to home screen right here, right? So when you click on add to home screen, now you're going to see PAWS, create shortcut PAWS. All you want to do just don't change anything, right? Just click on the add button. When you click on the add button, you then cancel your PAWS right now and then now go to your home page. Now, when you go to your home page, all you want to do now is to search for PAWS, right? So what you want to do now is to search for PAWS. You can see that PAWS right now is located here. So what you want to do now is to open PAWS. Now that this is on your home screen over here, what you want to do now basically is to click on this PAWS right now. So you click on it and then it opens up PAWS app, right? So when it opens up PAWS app now, what you want to do now is to go back to Telegram. You just click verify yourself and now you click on verify yourself, it takes you straight to Telegram and then your PAWS app gets opened for you. Now you stay in Telegram, it opens up PAWS for you and then you can go to claim your 5,000. Now that you've seen it like this, so you cannot see that it has changed from start to claim, right? So what I want to do now is to click on claim. So when you click on claim, you're going to claim 5,000 PAWS tokens for yourself. Now, as for this unbanned PAWS X, I know some of you might not know, but currently PAWS is banned on X as in Telegram. So their account is banned. When you go to their account, their page now on Telegram, you see that it is currently banned on Telegram. So I feel this 1 million PAWS is just a reward they will roll out to their users if Twitter unbans their account. And I don't think Twitter is ready. It doesn't look like Twitter will be ready to unban their account though. But then that's basically what I think is going to happen. So that's why this one is right here, right? So by the time they unban the account on X, they're going to reward us. And you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything to get this particular reward, right? So that's pretty much it for this task. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.